welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be testing out some glasses from Zeelool. Zeelool is a brand that specializes in glasses, prescription and non-prescription, reading glasses, sunglasses, whichever. And instead of just giving you the typical ordinary glasses, they specialize in actually giving you fashionable glasses, which is amazing. Not to mention their eyewear is top quality with a fast delivery system and an affordable price. So I got a couple of eyewear from them and I really wanted to try them on with you guys so I could show you guys how you could be looking fashionable yet still have your glasses on, especially if you need them. Now, me personally, I do not wear prescription glasses. However, glasses are a trend, you know, with certain outfits. For example, the one that I'm wearing right now, having on a pair of glasses is actually, it's an accessory. However, if you do wear prescription glasses, this is going to be perfect for you because you could be looking fashionable at the same time. And also, once again, they are extremely affordable. So right away, when you open the box, they actually provide you with these cloths here. That way you could clean your eyewear without damaging them, which of course is something that we all need. A lot of times people just like to take whatever they could find and wipe off their eyewear, which is actually really not good. So Zeelool actually provides you with the proper cloth to clean them, which I find is amazing. And they also sent me more than one pair, so that's great. So all of the eyewear comes very well packaged, and when you open it, it also has this layer, I don't know what you call this, layer of plastic on it just to protect the eyewear, which is great. You don't want to ever get something in the mail and it's ruined because the company did not protect it right. So just like I said before, all the eyewear that I have is non-prescription. However, they do offer prescription for those of you guys who need prescription glasses, okay? These are also blue light blocking and they have anti-reflective coating as well. Oh, this is cute. I told you guys that this is the perfect outfit to wear with these type of glasses. I look sophisticated and I look classy. Also, I'm very sensitive like in the nose area. So whenever it comes to sunglasses or reading glasses, whatever, that is the area that I need to be comfortable. Placing these like right on my nose, it feels really comfortable. Like it doesn't even really feel like I have anything on. I love this design. It's like a diva design. I love it. These are so adorable. Oh my gosh, I like these. Okay, let's go ahead and try another pair. And you guys, another thing that I like about their eyewear is the fact that they actually have like the codes right here on the side. So God forbid you lose the one that you have, or God forbid that they break, you'll be able to find the exact pair that you had once more because it's right here on the side. So that's great. How do I look? Be honest. I could go outside like this. Like I look like the kid on campus who has all the answers to your test. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Oh, I forgot to peel this off. Again, I love how comfortable these are. Like, especially like my nose area, and they're not even leaving a print because I'm wearing makeup. That's perfect. Okay, so now we're about to try on some clear frames. I remember these used to be extremely trendy when I was in high school. Like, you remember when people used to wear glasses for fun? That was the trend when I was in high school. When did I graduate? I graduated in 2011, by the way. But like everybody literally just wore glasses just because they were seen as an accessory. And I feel like Zeelool fits that criteria. I wish that I knew about them a whole lot sooner because I would have bought a ton of frames from them back when I was in school. But anyways, that's what these clear frames remind me of. So we're gonna try these on. Oh yeah, new boys. If you know, you know. New boys. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I wasn't expecting me to like these frames as much as I do. Because sometimes I feel like when you see a picture of eyewear online, you may think that they look cute and you get them and you try them on and you're like, that's why a lot of people wait to try them on in the store. But one feature that Zeelool has on their website, which I find is freaking amazing, is you can actually upload a picture of yourself and it'll show you what the eyewear looks like on you based on your picture that you submitted, which is great. So if you're not too sure, you can actually use that feature and just double check really quick before you purchase. But this is amazing. This is so cute. I love these. I freaking love these. Okay, so these ones have like a little bit of thinner frame, but as I told you guys earlier, I'm a really big fan of like that cat eye towards the end because I like my frames to be accentuated just a little bit. Oh yeah, this feels like the typical reading glasses. Like honestly, this feels really good on my face. Like I told you guys earlier, I'm sensitive in my nose area. I'm real picky when it comes to that, you know, because I hate when it feels like you just have 5 pounds on your face. For what? It shouldn't feel that way. This is adorable. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. I love how simple these are. Like, they're very simple yet fashionable. If you know, you know. You know what I'm trying to say. But it's like, it's not doing too much, you know? All right, so we have something a little different. The print on these are so cute. What would you consider this? Like a leopard type of print? It's not cheetah. More so like a leopard type of print. But this is adorable. Wow. Yeah. Yes, and then look at the little design on the side. I'm a fan. That's it. Like, you don't have to convince me anymore. How many more do we have left? I think we have one more left after this one, but you don't have to convince me anymore. I love this. Okay, you guys, last pair. This is like an emerald green color. I've never had anything like this ever. All the other ones that I just showed you guys are different from the ones that I've had prior as well. But color-wise, I've never had this type of color eyewear. So I'm not exactly too sure how it's going to fit on me. However, one thing that I will say right off the bat, this little sparkle design right here on the side that they have, I think that that is so cute. This is fire. You guys can't tell me otherwise. You know it's cute. You know it's cute. Oh my goodness. And then look at the sides. This is adorable. I wish I knew about them sooner. Like, I really do. Okay, you guys, so comment down below and let me know which pair of eyewear do you feel was your favorite on me. Honestly, I loved all of them, but my two favorites, oh, that's hard. Definitely the last one that I tried, the emerald green eyewear, that is beautiful. And I love the little crystals that they put on the frame, on the side of the frame. That's different. I love the clear frames. I loved all of them. I don't think I have a favorite. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Now, as far as the brand in itself and as far as the quality, number one, I think it's great that Zeelool made it important to create eyewear that's fashionable yet gives you what you need. You know, they have non-prescription and they also have prescription. They have reading glasses. They have men, women, kids. They cater to everyone, which is very rare nowadays. They're super affordable too. You can't go wrong with that. You can't go wrong with affordability and quality, and those two go hand in hand for a lot of us. All of the eyewear looked great on me. And just like I told you guys earlier, they do have the feature on the website where you can upload a selfie of yourself and it'll put the eyewear on you just so you can kind of see what it looks like before you purchase. Overall, you guys, I think that this brand is amazing. I'm obsessed. You guys will see me rocking those every now and then because they're cute. So why not? Especially like with this nice casual preppy type of outfit look that I got going on, you know? So make sure you guys go ahead and you check out Zeelool. I will have everything listed in the description box down below, including the ones that I tried on for you guys today. Whether you're looking for a prescription, non-prescription, I think that you should go ahead and take some time out, check out the website and see what you like. They have a lot of different options for you on there. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and shout out to Zeelool for creating these amazing pairs of eyewear. They are fashionable, they are affordable, they are top quality, and they are made for everybody. Very, very, very inclusive, which is more than what we can ask for nowadays. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.